So DJI, do listen, guys. When you got a problem, make it known to them. Be it send them a message to DJI support, or if you're doing a video channel, make it known on that. Now, last Friday, which is FBV Friday, which only happens to be yet another FBV Friday. Yesterday, I put a video up. I think it was yesterday, wasn't it? I'll tell you what, days go so quick here in Spain. I put a video up. It was an update on the DJI Fly app, wasn't there? What that update was, I don't know, because it was just for the app, nothing else. But I got to thank yet again, and it's you guys out there that let me know what's going on. And it was Ronnie. Ronnie said, Shaun, did you know that was an update? Yet again, another update on the 360. And I didn't know that. I thought, maybe you got it wrong, mate. That was the update that we had the other week to the 360. But he was correct. There was a new update. And that's the other thing about, if you've got loads of drones like me, I can't check everything. But I knew there were some updates coming. And obviously we did have a big update a couple of weeks ago on the 360, I must say. I didn't really notice much improvements myself, but as far as I know, the 360 was working fine. But one of the things that I mentioned last week, which was the biggest problem I thought, was now one of the things I've got to emphasise, guys, is this head. I thought that it locks it, so you can't. It won't do that. But it doesn't lock it. As you can see, I can spin it around virtually. And I got it back here, and I just put it straight on the ground. And I know I'm not the only one, because I saw Andy do the same thing. And what it was, the lens was like that. Anyway, thankfully, it didn't scratch it. Now, I suppose if I had dragged it, yeah, that would have been a major problem. Now, just take off the top there, was this. Now, I showed you in last week's FBV Friday, this head was moving, which was a major problem, because when you pick this drone up, what tends to happen is that the head will face down on the ground. So and this is what a lot of people were doing. I saw Andy do it a couple of weeks previously. I did it last week. I picked the drone up, I put it down, not realising that the lens was facing downwards. Well, with this new update, it did say it fixed some known issues. It's locked it. So now, when you fly your drone, obviously it unlocks itself. When it takes off, what will happen then, depending if you put it into 360, the lens will go up and down, if you got what I mean. And then when the drone comes back down, then the lens will come outwards like it is now, but it will stay locked. So now, when you pick your drone up, or when your drone's finished, it's locked in that position, which is a big saving, because obviously the last thing you want to do is damage your lenses. And that was amazing. So I went out today, I went out with my young mate, Steve. So I've got to say a big thank you to DJI, because one of the things I picked up the other week, if you noticed in the video, this was moving. Well, since that latest update, it doesn't move anymore. Obviously it moves when it takes off, like it should do, but once it's finished its flight and it's landed, it locks back into place, so these lenses don't get damaged. If they fixed it, and they have actually fixed it, and it's locked now, which is the best thing about this. So, well done DJI. I just thought I'd put it out there quickly. Now, hopefully, in a moment, about an hour's time maybe, you're going to see the proper part of FBV Friday. So, as always, I'll catch you sooner.